Discover where your team thrives and where they require assistance to facilitate effective training and promote growth. Currently, pinpointing the areas where your team needs support can be a lengthy and often erroneous process. But with the Skill Gap Analysis feature, you can effortlessly identify individual and team skill gaps, confidently monitor progress, and evaluate the impact of learning. You'll know precisely where support is required for skill mastery. Access the Skill Gap Analysis by clicking on the Skills section located on the left. Within the Skill Gap dashboard, you can search for skills on the left side or scroll to find the skill you're interested in. By selecting the appropriate skill, you can easily identify each individual's strengths, areas of potential, and skills that need improvement. You can also search for individual candidates using their email ID. This simplifies the planning and measuring of learning impact, ensuring your team's skills develop efficiently and effectively. Are you ready to enhance your team's skills with precision? Start using the Skill Gap Analysis feature in VCP and revolutionize your learning strategy today.